So you can like this if you wanna vlog, and my picture is husband Kodem. Wanna like and subscribe to get them. This game is really hard, so I will finish this. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Alright, it's so hard, guys. I'm Philippine, so I can speak English, guys. Don't worry, I'm not hurt English, and I'm not saying bad words. Okay, don't be angry, like angry bird. Okay, okay, guys, chill. So I knew I back again. So someone people in here, but I'm not trollless. I'm videoing. Okay, 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 okay. Bro, I'm gonna come in. Okay, Bacon has been here. I think it fell down. And where Bacon go? Oh, I will, I will, I will, I will go with him. Hi Bacon, what's up? I will touch you. If I touch you, I win. Okay, okay. I will slap you. I'm joking. Can I slap you all? Like my damage, beautiful. Oh God! Whatever. Yo, chill, 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 bro. How I feel. I will do this because this is make me teleport in. I will do this. Okay, 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 okay. I'm pro. I'm pro. I'm pro. I'm pro. I'm pro. I'm not pro, guys. Okay, you can go. You can go. You can go too. You wanna? Bro, so. Oh no. You see? Don't slap me, please. Okay. Okay. Yo! I will do this. I will kick this class. So, I'm not put down there. Bro, don't say bro. Because it's not a bro. It's a girl. Bro, chill, chill. I will put a girl and he gonna pull down of my slap, okay? Guys, don't worry because I'm hurt the girl. And do you wanna go yet? Oh, sorry. Where the girl will go? Stay, I will go him. Okay, let me pass. This has been trolling us of my dear fan. Okay, so do you wanna fall down right now? Go fast your obby down. Yeah? You wanna fall down? Okay. No! No! Okay. I think is fell all of Bacon. Like me, I'm not noob. I can do the wall hop like this. Yeah. Oh yeah. My bad. Alright. This is my budget. So can I will finish this I think when 2 episodes. I will finish this 2 episodes, okay? Oh yeah, my bad. So therefore I will just comment what do you want thinking for game or anything. Oh, why? Yeah, I know. It's a gold of. Yeah, it's here. I know. I don't have a brain. Oh yeah. It's so really hard. So I'm gonna change this game, and you're gonna fun it. So we here now, and oh, a bomb. Okay, take it. Okay, let me get it. Oh, thank you. Bro, chill. Don't get my bomb yet. Yeah.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry. Don't worry.
No! It's really hard. I fell off. I fell off. So I lost my bomb. Lol? You think you can do it? Bro, it's easy.
3, 2, 1.
So guys, I'm vlogger today.
You're locked.
Oh yeah. My bad. It's my bad today. And why everyone try to wall ladder like this? Oh yeah? You pass me. Bro, what is your problem? So what I will pass then? I trollers like my bad. So this is my bad game, I see. I have a glitch do it this. So I will do this, okay? So I will do this, okay? Okay, give me the bomb. Give me the bomb. Bro, why did you not give me the bomb? Give it. Oh. Yo! I lost my glitch. It's okay now. Why exploiting is 2025? Okay, so I can do this. And 3, 2, 1. Yeah. No! Why my glitch not working? Yeah, it's not working. I know now. I know I have a glitch this. Okay. Let me show you what is my glitch. And you know this, guys. You know this. And glitch. Oh, it's not working. Sorry. And oh yeah, I forgot. I dance. Okay. This didn't work because I did that. So I will enjoy this, and guys, like and subscribe for more. Oh, can I join that? Oh my bad. I play this all, but I can stop it because this is no, bro, big stop it. Oh, sorry. Oh, thank you, Lord. I didn't shoot him. Why Why Bacon has been trolling all day? Can I troll him? Oh no, I fell. So I will go there and I will. Oh, I have idea. When wait. Okay. Oh yes, my bad. Sorry, get me bad. So I will do this and. Sorry yet. Bro, don't shoot me. Don't shoot me. I know you're doing off day and where did you go? Oh yeah. You must log in today. It's free now. I think you're gonna do it. Karen, join in you. Why every day Karen has been joining me? When I'm playing happy game, he gonna join. When I can join the sad game, he gonna join. Or everything has been joined and gonna team with me. So I will space out him. What is gonna rain dead? She has been gonna angry this game. This is a laser game gun. So what do you want this? Slap tower or bomb or laser gun? But just oh yeah, my bad. She gonna shoot me. I know this bit. I got this. Okay. You get lost yet? Can do it. Always noob this game, okay? He's out there, and I will shoot him. I didn't shoot. Okay. Oh, he's there. Bro, I didn't do it. Let's go. I will shoot there. I didn't do it. No. So someone. Oh, she has been throwing time. Do you wanna? Yeah, I do it for all and wanna save yet. Bro, someone trolling off day. I got you guys. Don't worry guys, I got this. Yo, I think something up there and don't shoot anything, bro. I wanna get this type. Yo, chill. Oh my bad. So part 2 for anything game, I will choose it. Like and subscribe to get a new game or old game, and I will pass this selling down. Bruh. Why is it selling off? Haha, bye.